So these are our topics for tonight. We are going to build a store in Shopify and how to create the collections and categories in Shopify, how to create menus, how to design a store, how to do a drop shipping in Shopify, how to import products from Supplier to Shopify, and what are the Shopify applications. So before that, I have here a presentation. Okay, so this is the icon of Shopify. What is a Shopify? So Shopify Incorporated, it is a Canadian multinational e-commerce company headquartered in Ottawa, Ontario. So this one is from Ontario. And what is a Shopify? Shopify offers online retailers a suite of services, including payments, marketing, shipping, and customer engagement tools to simplify the process of running an online store for a small merchant. Okay? So Shopify is like a WordPress. It is a CMS where you can build your online store. So the focus of the Shopify is e-commerce. Okay. So what are the features of a Shopify? Okay, first is uh, social media and email marketing. So it has a feature that you can connect your social media account from your Shopify store to your Facebook or to your Instagram. So example, I have here a sample. So this is the back end of your Shopify. And then if you want to connect your your Facebook page, you go to sales channel, click this one, and then you have to connect. So since I have already connected my the Facebook page, I cannot find the Facebook page here or Facebook icon. So usually if uh, it's not yet finished or you are not yet done with connecting your Facebook account or your Facebook page from your Shopify store, you can see the icon of Facebook here. And then you may click on plus. And then you are asked to log in your Facebook account and then choose the Facebook page that you want to connect. Same in your Instagram. Okay, so that is one of the features of Shopify. You can connect them. So what is the advantage if you connect your Shopify store to your Facebook page? So example, here I have a sample. Okay. This is the page of the client and this is her store. So para automatic na yung items, automatic na dito sa online store ng or sa Facebook page ng client, i-connect mo yung online store or dito, i-connect mo yung Facebook page dito. Automatic na siya kung ano yung nasa categories. Okay, example here, the categories are shops, gallery, services, and then under shops, we have bags, skirts, headwear, jewelry. Automatically, makonect siya dito sa shop nila. Okay? So still here in shop, you need to set up, you need to create a category para automatic na siya like this one. In the featured, you can find featured in home here, featured. Uh, okay, so this one is under featured. Automatic na, yan. So you don't need to add the items one by one. Kung ano yung nasa store mo, automatic na niya i-connect dito sa shop mo. So if you have set up this one, if you have set up the sales channel. Okay, same in Pinterest or in Instagram. You connect only your store to your Instagram or your Pinterest para automatic na siya lagay ng mga items. So, another targeted email marketing, you can also create campaigns. You can you can connect MailChimp to your Shopify. So here, example, um, have you seen the pop-up before? Yung pag-scroll down ko, you can see the pop-up. So the pop-up form is connected to Shopify. So, pwede mo siyang i-integrate. So, if example, if you have a customer and then they will sign up the form, uh, automatic na yun must save doon sa MailChimp mo. And then, if example, you have promos, you have a discount codes to send to your customers, you can send to them. Kasi you already have their emails. Okay, so you can integrate your Shopify store to MailChimp also. Another feature is online promotion ready. So in Shopify, you can also create discount code. Example, I have 200 customers and then my sale, after 2 weeks, my sale, I will give them 20% discount in any of the items. So you can create discount codes in Shopify. So how to create a discount code? You may go to discounts, click that one, and then create discount. This one, click create discount, and then you name your discount. Example, the name is Holiday Sale 2020. So we have here options, the types, percentage, example, 50% or 20% of the items. You can put 20% or fixed amount. Example, every time if somebody will purchase the item, you will give them discount of $10. Or you can give them um, free shipping or buy one get one. So that is one of the features of Shopify. Discount, you can create discount code. And the next one is you can also connect applications to your Shopify. Application or the Shopify App Store is like a plugin in WordPress, diba? Plugin will add features to your website. In Shopify, there are also applications that you can use to connect to your Shopify store. So how to add an application? You go to apps and then click this one, visit the Shopify App Store. And then what do you like to add? Example, you want to add a gallery application. So you may search gallery. So what is the purpose of that? So example, this is the website of the client and she wants to display all the pictures in under gallery, sorry. She wants to display the features under gallery. So here, this one, you can make this in pages, but the display is different. You, it's better if you will add a gallery application to add feature in your store. Okay, so how to install a feature or how to install an application image app. Okay, search lang. You search and then choose. Dapat you have to choose the free plan if the client has no budget. So look for the applications that are free. So you may test mo lang siya and then you install the app. You add. So once you add the app, you can see the applications here. Okay. So another application is this one, Overlow. Overlow is an application where you can connect this one from the supplier to your Shopify. So example, AliExpress is one of the suppliers. if you add the, sorry, where is the, okay, sorry. Okay, so this is the supplier. And if you you have added the application here overlow and then you sign in, automatically when you go to AliExpress, automatically you can add the products to your store. So connected sila. So that's one of the applications. So later we will apply overlow. We'll do drop shipping. So okay, so those are the applications or the features of Shopify. So the question is, are you ready to set up your online store? Okay, so let's set up. So to set up an online store, you may go to shopify.com and then click create start free trial. So normally Shopify will give you a 14-day trial. So that's the time that you're going to design your store. But in some other cases, like before, when I signed up Shopify, 14 days, tapos siguro nakita nila na my store is not yet finished and then I have a products, they sent me an email that my trial, the number of days is ex- extended na, extend siya. So, nagiging 30 days na siya. So, depende. Sometimes they have promotions. And some other countries have 90 days instead of 14 days. Sa atin, 14 days lang. But some other countries like in Canada, they have 90 days. 90 days trial. So, mas okay sa kanila, no? They have 90 days to set up their online store. So it depends upon the location. So in our case, we only have 14 days. So again, depende siya. Minsan ma-extend yung ano mo, ma-extend yung number of days sa trial mo. So how to sign up here or how to set up your store. Of course, you need to provide your email address. So, itong 14 days trial, unlimited siya ha. Unlimited siya. So, example, after 14 days, you want to sign up again, another. So, you can sign up using different email. And then you have to provide your password. And then you have to put your store name. So, example, okay, the store name is unique ha. Dapat unique siya kasi mostly nag-exist na yung mga store. So you have to think what is the unique name of your store. Okay, so it's already taken. Okay, can you give me a name of a store? Suggestion? The fashionista daw. Okay, it's already taken. Can you give me? You can give me. Girl Alush. Girl Alush. Oh, Girl Alush is available. Okay, it's available. Okay, sige daw. And then click create your store. Then mag-load pa siya. And then you have to answer here. Are you already selling? You can choose. I'm just playing around. I'm not selling products yet. Okay. Do you have something to sell? No, I'm just playing around. No, I'm still brainstorming ideas. Okay. What is the current revenue? So, kung nag-start ka pa, you can choose this one. I'm just getting started. Which industry will be will you be operating in? So example, your niche is about clothes or clothing. So you can choose this one. Or it depends. If your niche is about beauty, you can choose beauty. So for me, I will choose clothing. Are you setting up a store for a client? So if example, you are a VA, you are setting up a store to your client, you can check this one. Okay, yes, I am designing, developing a store for a client. If not, if this is your personal, you can uncheck that one and then click next. And then you have to provide your address. Okay, so it should be, uh, depende kung ilagay nyo ang tamang address, it doesn't matter. Kasi we are doing in selling kasi mostly we are doing drop shipping. So yung address doesn't matter kasi yung mga items is not from your own store. It's not in from your physical store, but the items are from the suppliers. So you can put your true address, okay, your real address here, or you can put uh, example, my real address here, and then this one is optional. Business or personal website, optional. You can also put your phone number and then click enter my store. So that's how to set up Shopify. So after that, after clicking that button, okay, you'll be led in this dashboard. So this is the dashboard of a Shopify. Now, after setting up your store, you may go to settings. Okay. You click on settings and then in general. So in general, you can change the store name here if you want, and you can also change your contact email, and you can also change your category. Yan. And then, um, if example, your target audience, okay na to, kilogram. So here, okay. Example, your target audience is in US, you may select USA. So meaning, yung front end ng store mo, yung currency is in dollar sign instead of peso sign. Okay? So if you're not selling in Philippines, you can change that one. Okay, US, and then you may save. Okay. So I know which is better, selling in Philippines or selling in US? Okay, so it depende siya kasi 'di ba? Ngayon mostly yung mga tao na ah, nag-buy sa online mostly is in abroad, 'di ba? Sa US. So it's better na yung store natin, even you set up, it's better na outside na lang para mas okay yung ano mo, yung profit mo. Okay. And then after that, you have save, then you go back to settings again. You go to payments. Here you can connect your PayPal. So example, what's this? Example, when somebody buys your product, where do the payments go? So kung ano yung na-set up mo dito, yun, doon siya example, ako nag-buy, tapos kung ano yung na-connect dito, dito siya ma-credit yung money. Okay? Then, you can also add your credit card if you have. For the checkout, here, you have to choose accounts are disabled. So what does it mean? Accounts disabled meaning if you have a customer, when somebody buys a product, you don't need to ask them to log in or sign up Shopify. Okay, so it's better na you have to disable na lang to. You don't need to log. You don't need. Oh no, they don't need rather. They don't need to log in the Shopify. Okay, so accounts disabled. To check out, so here, you have options. So it's up to you if you want. Customers can check out using either their phone number or email, or you can uh, select this. Customers can only check out using email. Okay, so it's up to you. To receive, to receive shipping updates. So example, you have already a customer updates, so 'di ba? Gusto nila malaman kung ano yung update ng kanilang purchase. So, you can choose this one. Customers can choose to add a phone number or email to receive shipping updates after they complete their order. Or you can check this one. Customers can download Shop app applications for their order status page. So, you can choose either that one or that, okay, or both. Okay. And then next, for example, mag-fill up na sila ng form. What do you require? Require them to put their last name only, or you require them to put their first name and last name? So it's better that you have to select this one, no? Require first name and last name. And then for the company name, so this one is optional. So this one is about the company name of the customer. So it should be hidden. Okay na yan. And then address line. Okay, pwede na siya hidden. And then this one is important. Shipping address and phone number. Okay, so you have to require your customer to to put their shipping address and the phone number. Diba? Kasi 'di ba, in drop shipping, okay, later you will understand what is drop shipping. In drop shipping kasi, uh, okay, I have here sample. Okay. Drop shipping, example, this is you, the online store, and then there is a customer, okay, nag-buy siya ng product, and uh, yung products mo is not in your physical store, di ba? Nandun siya sa supplier. Okay. So if the customer buys the product, you will check if that product is available to the customer. Okay. And if it's available, okay, after this customer fill up siya ng form, after filled up ng form, you are the one who will fill out the form also to the form of the supplier, and then you have to purchase the product to the supplier. But the information is the information of the customer, not yours. Okay? Information that of the customers, and then kung ano yung address na lagay, the supplier will send the item to the customer directly. So, not to you. Kasi yung address, nasa customer man. So, that is drop shipping. You don't have an item, physical item, but the items are from the supplier. So, this one is different from arbitrage. Have you heard about our arbitrage? Okay, wait lang ah. Okay, let's go back. Arbitrage is different. Yung old na way bitaw of selling. 'Di ba before, uh, if you have an online store, you want to sell something online. Uh, you buy the product, okay? You buy the product from the customer, the supplier, and then nandun na yung items sa physical store mo. Tapos, may customer ka, ikaw na ang magbigay ng products doon sa customer. So, that is arbitrage. But the disadvantage there is, what if wala kang customer, tapos na-buy mo na yung product. So na yung money mo nandoon, 'di ba? So ah, wala kang profit, wala kang income kasi wala pa mang nag-buy ng products. Whereas in dropshipping, wala kang capital dito. Wala kang capital, doon ka kasi yung products nandoon sa supplier. So, ano yung capital mo dito sa ano, for the products you don't have any capital. But here in Shopify, if you want to have your own store, kailangan meron ka talagang mag-subscribe ka talaga dito sa Shopify. You need to pay $13. Okay, I'm not sure. Let's check. Let's check. Okay. Select the plan. Okay, $13 per month. So, example, meron kang domain, nag-buy ka na ng domain, i-add mo dito. So, instead of this one, .myshopify.com, you have your own domain, na-connect mo siya. Tapos, hindi mo kasi siya ma-connect if hindi ka mag-select dito sa plan. So, ang yung start niya, yung basic is about $13 a month. So, dapat kung mag-ano ka dito, mag-choose a plan ka, dapat sure ka na ah, na makabenta ka. Kasi mostly yung mga products may from the supplier kasi you have $5 per product na profit. Ah, minsan may $13 na profit. So, depende siya sa inyo. So, but you can adjust uh, the price of the product. So later you will see how much is the profit in every product from the supplier to your store. Okay? So that's how to set up. And then next is are we done with this checkout? Okay, require check this three. Okay, so three, while the customers is checking out, enable fields for additional information. So adds country-specific fields required for the compliance of the tax purposes, sorry, and use the shipping address and billing address by default, and also enable address auto completion. Okay, so auto completion gives customers address suggestion when they enter their shipping and billing address. So dito ang importante lang this one, yan, para hindi na sila ma-bother. This one, check that. Tapos you have to require the email, no, the first name and the last name. You can hide them, their address. And after order has been paid, do not automatically fulfill any of the orders. So what does it mean? Example, uh, bakit kailangan i-select natin ito o do not automatically fulfill? Sometimes kasi yung product hindi siya available doon sa supplier. Tapos if example, nag-pay na yung customer mo, tapos i-check mo tong automatically, tapos wala yung product, so you have a problem. So dapat do not accept the payment first before before you accept, you have to check first to the supplier if that item is available or not. So select this one, do not automatically fulfill. And then select automatically archive the order. So automatic na siya, nasa-save na siya sa database ng store mo. Okay? And then save that one, shipping and delivery. Okay, so this one, you don't need to bother this because since we are doing drop shipping, yung again, yung address, hindi sa store mo, kundi sa supplier. Okay. And then taxes, so dapat i-include mo na doon sa price ng product para hindi ka na mag-calculate, hindi ka na magbayad ng tax. Automatic na yung Shopify mag-calculate doon sa taxes. Okay? So check this two. And then after that, sales channel, same here. For the billing, okay. Okay, so for the billing, example, nag-select ka na ng plan, okay, saan kukuha ng pera, ng payment ang Shopify? Okay, so you can add your PayPal here or you can add your credit card. So saan ka magbabayad ng $13 mo dito sa Shopify? So you have to set up also your billings. If you are ready, so If example, meron ka ng mga items sa store mo, and then you are ready to pay for $13 a month, so you can set up the payment method. And here in legal, you can also automatically choose or create from a template. So example, uh, mako-confuse ka, ano ba yung refund policy? So para hindi ka na ma-bother, you can use their templates. So, click that one, and then if example, you want to change this, you have a 30-day return policy. You can, instead of 30 days, you can change it to 15 days. Okay? So, depende sa inyo kung ano yung return policy or refund policy nila. Okay, refund policy sa store, sorry. So, example, you are working with a client. Of course, you have to ask the client what is their refund policy. Okay? And mostly, client is happy to use this template na. Automatic na yung template ng Shopify. And then you have to save it. And also same in privacy policy, you can choose that one. Okay, select that template. And same here in terms of service rather, you can choose that one. Okay, select that one and then save it. Okay, so that's how to set up your Shopify store. Now, we are ready to put a product. Okay, put a product to our Shopify store. But before you add the product, you need to add first a category of your store. And the term here is collection. Okay, so you have to add a collection. Again, it's the same with category. So how to add a collection? You may go to products. You go to products and then click this one, collections. So example, you are selling clothes, diba? So what are the categories? Okay, women's clothes. Categories, dress. Okay, you'll be selling dress. You can also add a featured image of your item or collection and then select this one, manual. Okay, you have to add the products manually and then save. Another collection, example, you want to sell skirts. Okay, skirt, check, and then save. Another collection, um, skirt, blouse. Pwede ka mag-add ng blouse. And select that one, and then save. Okay, so what if you want to add, a featured image? You can use other stock photos. Okay. Example, you can use that one and add a collection image. Yan. And save. Okay, error, image ako, ganun. Okay, so you need to resize. Kailangan natin i-resize yung product. Kasi dapat, or picture rather, dapat 20 lang megapixel. Okay. So, kung ayaw mong mag-resize, you have to find another picture here. Okay? So, let's try this. Okay, so wala na siyang error. Save. Okay. So, same. Sa skirts, you can find skirts. But it's better if dito sa featured image, better siya na yung mga pictures sa store mo. Okay? So, but this one is only a sample. I'm showing only how to add featured image. Okay. Then save. If you want to add also featured dress. Okay, we'll use that one. Pangit siya, no? Uh, ito na lang. Okay. Sample lang man, di ba? So, collection, image, and then choose. And then, save. Okay? So, assuming, tatlo lang muna. Okay? Now, next is, okay, how to create a menu. Okay. Let's create a menu. You may go to online store and then select navigation and then choose main. So for the main, okay, this is the online store. For the main menu, okay, this one, sa top. Sa footer, syempre sa baba. Okay, so if you want to add, but that is optional. Kung gusto mo sa taas lang, okay na yan. You can customize the main menu. So click the main. Diba we have added three collections. So how to add those collections here on top. So you may click this one, add menu, item. Diba we have created dress. Okay. And then link it to, diba we have created collections. So link it to collections. Of course, you have to choose dress also. And then add. Next is add a menu again. And then choose skirt. Then link to collections, skirt. Add. Another is blouse. So you have to type blouse. Then link collections. And then choose blouse. And then add. Okay. And then what if you want to add a contact form after that? Now, you can add a contact form here in page. Okay, you may select page and then you can add a page. Click that one. Sorry. And then type contact or contact us. And then here in template, you can choose page contact. Okay, and then save. And then after that, go back to navigation, main menu, and then you have to add the contact here. Okay. Contact us, the name, and link it to what? Diba we have created page? Okay, link it to page. And then the name of the page is contact and then add. And then after that, you have to save. Then let's visit our store. Okay, so here we have dress, skirt, blouse, and contacts. Okay, so what if you want to have a drop down like this one? I have here a sample. Okay, this is my other store. And then here I have drop down. Okay, click, and then okay, this one, collections. Okay, so this is an example of a drop down. Another example is this one. Okay, in shop, may drop down siya. So how to create a drop down? Okay, go back to your store. Go back. And then, example, you want to group your items under shop. So before you can create a drop down here, you need to create first a collection. Okay, so you go back to products and then collection again. And then you have to create a collection shop. Okay, shop, and then still manual, and then save. Then go back to your online store, navigation, create a menu, okay, main menu, and then add, okay, add here, and then shop. Type kayo shop. Link it to collection, di ba? And then still in shop. Okay, so collection, shop. You can add also to all collections. Okay, shop, and then add. So after that, you can drag that one on top. Okay, so this one dress, uh you want to put dress under shop. Okay, so you can drag. Pwede mo lang siya i-drag. Yan. Oops. Remove muna tayo kasi under dress or under shop, we have blouse. And then you have to add another here. Ano yung nawala? Skirt. Okay, so you have to add again the skirt. And then link it to skirt. Then add. Okay? And then save it. Okay, so here, you can only see the three, diba? But under shop, we have dress, blouse, skirt. Okay? So same process if we want to add another. So example, you want to add a gallery. So you need to create a collection before you can add here. Kasi it will ask you to link. So saan mo siya i-link? Sa collection ba, sa products, or sa page? So kailangan meron kang collection or meron kang page or post. So depende siya kung saan mo siya i-link. So ito yung available sa products, doon mo siya i-link, or sa page, sa blogs, or sa blog post. Okay, so how to create a blog post here, online store and then blog post. Okay, so same here, if you want to create a page, same siya, kaya lang post, di ba? Post siya, and then you can also add an image or featured image. Okay, what else? Before we start. So, how to design our store? Okay. So, the default, okay, is this one. This is the default store. So, how to design that one? Okay. You have to still in here in online store, and then customize. So, this one, if example, you want to use this theme, you may go to customize or click this customize. Or what if you want to explore another theme? So example, you want to use a free themes. Uh, like this one, simple. This is a sample of a simple theme. This one. This is a simple theme. So if you like to use that one, you may choose simple. Uh, okay. You may choose this simple. Or you can also use this one, boundless. So these are the free themes available in Shopify. So, but if you want to pay, so how much is the paid theme? Depende siya. Example, uh, this one, if you want to use, you may pay $170, 180. So, kung nag-start ka pa, syempre wala ka pang income, you can use the free themes, di ba? Okay, so if you want to use this, okay, you may click customize. Yan. And then, this is your home page. So this is the area where you can customize your page. Okay. So example, you don't want to put this one, an image with text. You can click this. Yan. You can exclude that one. Same here if you don't like that. Okay. So if example, you want to uh, add a featured image. So this one are the featured. So click that one and then add the item. So add and then select the image. You can also use other images here. So example, since this is only a sample, you can use this one and then save. And then you have to edit also the text. Okay. Edit the text. Okay, columns, and then click that one. Then here in this area, you can edit the text and also the title. Okay, so this one is the blouse. Okay. Sample lang, di ba? So assuming this is the title of your blouse. And then edit the text, then save. Okay? So go back. Uh, you have to go to the second column. Click that one. Same process. You have to upload the image and then choose the image, select, and then change the title. So para maganda siya, you have to resize first the picture para same ang size niya or ang display niya dito. Okay, same here in this one. Select image, then women's fashion, click that one and then select. Okay, so that's how to edit. Next, for the featured, okay, so you can also create a collection for your featured image. So later we will design this kasi wala pa tayong items, di ba? So later na lang. Another, if example, you want to add your logo. So you may select this one, header, and then you have to upload your logo. So what if you want to change the background color of your page? You may go to theme settings and then select colors. So here you can change the text heading, this one, the heading, the body. So select and then so lahat ng body ito ma-change siya. So again, you have to blend kung ano yung color ng logo mo. You have to blend also the color of your text. And go back, colors, the buttons. If you have a form or a button, you can also edit that one. And form fields. And also for the background, this one. Okay, background here. Okay, background color of your page. So, lahat ng page maapektuhan kung ano yung color mo dito. Okay? So, that's how to change the color. What else? Favicon. Okay, favicon, yung icon dito sa taas, you can choose or you can also use your logo as your favicon at the same time. Okay. Ayan. Tapos, so that's how to design your page. Okay, so pangit siya, no? You have to customize again. Akala ko hindi siya ma-save. Na-save pala. Okay, let's go back to the theme settings para ma-change yung color ng background or page. Okay, so save that one. And typography. So, sa typography, ito yung sa font niya. So, depende sa inyo kung ano yung size ng mga body text. Yan. Go back. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay. So, okay, so let's do the dropshipping. So again, ito yung mga items from the suppliers directly to your customers. So there is an application, okay, in Overlow, in Shopify called an Overlow. So you may click the apps and then visit Shopify, and then you have to search, okay, log in your account, and then you have to search Overlow. Okay, so this one is the application that that will automatically connect from your supplier to your Shopify store. So amazing to siya, amazing kasi automatic na siya mag-compute siya na automatic. So later you'll see. And also, you can add an extension in Google. There is also an overload extension. So you may click on settings and then you go to extension and then you may search overload and then you have to turn it on. Now, what is the difference? So what if you want to use the application only in Shopify? Hindi ka maggamit ng overload application or extension. Now the difference here is if you turn on this one and then you go to the supplier's website, you can automatically add those items here. You can see the icon of overload. Okay, so example, women's fashion, I will address. So since na okay na yon, 'di ba? Okay na yung overload, you can use this one, oh. You can add the product by using this. So this is the icon of overload extension. Okay, so that's very amazing. And also the difference, also what's the difference if uh you use this from the back end and also you want to use the application or you want to use the extension rather. Now here, if you want to use the extension, you can filter. Example, you want to filter products, products na free shipping. So, pwede siya if you are using the extension overload. Okay, let's start. So, let's start with the application here. So, you may click on overload. And then after that, if example, kasi ito na set up ko na, you only need to put your password here in Overlook. Yan. Tapos, you may go to manage products. Manage products. Okay, so I have already reached or I already have added. So I will use the other one. Okay, kasi yung free, may limit siya. You can only add up to 500 products. Okay. So let's use this new store and apps. And then you have to type overload. And then select this one, click, and then add up. Okay. So after that, you're about to install the overload. Okay. And then you have to click install app. Yan. Okay. So you have to type your password only. Account doesn't have a password yet. So you can type your password here. Then confirm your password. Then save. After that, you may go to manage products. So automatically you are in the dashboard or in the website of the supplier. So you may click on the women's clothing since this is our niche. Yan. Then you select blouses, 'di ba? Mm, okay. Selling to sample I am selling to US. Okay. Blouses. Okay. Search, return, search. Cannot search here. Okay. Wait lang. Payments. Accessories. Okay, bakit ayaw niya? Okay, dito na tayo eh. So, I will delete products na lang para I can import a list. Okay. I will show you only how. So, here, click. Ay nako. You search, return, no results. Bakit? Bakit? Okay, let's search here. Women's blouse. Okay, so here. Okay, let's go back. Doon pala sa search. Mag-search lang muna. Wait lang. Products. Is this the one? Connected overload. Hindi siya na. Oh, wait lang ah. For a while. Okay. Overload. Okay, manage products. Click that one. So, search mo, mag-search ka, type ka, blouse. And then here, ito yung mga available na blouses. So, look, di ba? Mura masyado yung mga products nila, oh. $13 lang. Okay, so example, you want to sell that one, you have to click and then add to import list lang. Okay, mag-add ka, pangit siya. Okay, add. So, next is we have to add address. Yan. Okay, kung ayaw niyo dito na, wait lang ha. uh, dress, women's clothing, and then dresses. Ito lang dress. Weird siya. Kung mag-search ako dito ng dress, ayaw din. Okay, so okay, for a while ha, log out ko muna yung isa. 'Di ba? We have added products here. And then it will go to your import list. So after adding, it will go to your import list. And then here uh, you can change the title of the products kasi too long siya, 'di ba? Medyo mahaba siya. So you can shorten this title. So example, style rompers. Okay, you can delete that one. Yan. Or you can name your own product. You can also add the name of your store here in the title of the product. And then you have to choose the collection. So in this store, I have uh, rompers. Okay, so I have here. And then after that, you may go to the descriptions. Then you have to shorten also this one, or you can put a bullet here in description, or you can add a sentence to describe your product. Pwede siya. And then when you go to variants, you can see here your profit. So if you are selling or you'll be selling to Philippines, you have a problem because the items are from US, diba? And then you'll be paying ah, shipping, 'di ba? Magbayad ka ng shipping. So, medyo malaki yung babayaran mo if you're selling Philippines. But if you'll be selling in US, you don't have any problem because the items are from, 'di ba? US, others are from US, others are from China. So here in ePacket and AliExpress, so this one is the estimated delivery time. Okay, so if somebody will purchase your product, so how many days yung delivery time? So if you choose the ePacket, yung delivery time is about 35 days. If you choose AliExpress, 35 days then. And shipping cost, zero. So, syempre, mas okay kung zero yung cost para lesser yung price ng product, di ba? So, you can choose ePacket or AliExpress and then, okay, okay, see, di ba? You have already the profit. So, in one item only, you have $7 per item. Diba? So, what if you have kahit na 10 customers, 'di ba? And then you have $7 per item. So you have $70 per month as a start, 'di ba? Tapos meron ka ng 'di ba? Meron ka ng maibayad doon sa ano 'yon, subscription ng Shopify, 'di ba? $13 yung Shopify. So what if so yung na-sold mo is 10 items. So meron ka ng profit. So okay na siya, 'di ba? And here example um you want to change the price. Gusto mo medyo malaki yung price. Okay, malaki yung price pala. Sorry, yung profit. Okay, ayaw mo ng $7, gusto mo $10 or 15, you can change the price here. Okay? So example, instead of kasi ito yung cost niya from the supplier. 7.94 lang ang blouse, ay na ang romper. Tapos wala man siyang cost dito sa shipping. So, pwede siya, example, you want $25. How much is your profit? So, ito, $17 ang profit mo. So, okay na siya, di ba? So, go back to the original. Ano yung original ulit? Example 11 lang, 0.02. Pangit siya. 15? 15 ba yun? I can't remember. Yan. Okay, so you can change also the other variants. Ito yung variants niya. May small, may medium, may large. Okay? And then the items are from China. Okay, meron siyang United States, meron din China. Okay? Tapos dito, compared at price. So ito yung pang-atik. 'Di ba, meron kayong makikita before it's about $50, but now only 30. Tapos may na-crash out. Okay, so dito 'yan. So pang-atik 'yan, pang-atik. So you can change the value here from, so what if before 20 daw siya, tapos ayun you'll be selling 15 na lang. So, dun sa item, ma-crash out na yun siya. 20, crash out, then 15. Okay? So, para maano yung customer ba, oh, hala, nag-sale sila. So, you have to change all. Okay. Sale item daw ito. And then, automatic na yan siya ma-save. Then, after that, okay, variants. Okay, so example, okay na siya. Na-edit mo na to. This one, lahat i-edit mo siya ha, dito. I-edit. And then, if that product is ready, you can import that product to your store. Okay. Import that product. Lahat i-import mo if that is already finished. And then, your products will be displayed here. My products. Okay. So, dito na yung mga products mo. So, how to check that one? If that product is already in your store. So you may visit your store. And then, if I check the rompers, dapat meron ako item. Okay, ito. Na-add na siya, di ba? Added na siya. Tapos, na-crash out yung 20. So, ito yon before 20. Tapos, on sale siya from, ito, hindi siya makikita sa customer ha. Ito yung makikita nila, 15. So, before, 20. Ngayon, 15 na lang. So, syempre, pag may sale, meron talagang bibili, no? So, ito yung description niya. So, you can edit the description. Pwede siya i-bullet na lang instead of ganyan. So, you can choose. Okay, they can choose here. Yung ano yung color. Okay. Yan. Wow, if you want to ship from China, so what if you don't like to include that one? So uh, you may go to your store. Okay, punta ka sa store mo. Kasi you can edit that one. Of course, you go to your products. Products, romper, yun, di ba? So, ano yung product niya? This one, copy. And then, you search the product. Oh, you cannot search the product. Ay, okay. So here, sorry, it's not in the overload. Okay, this one. You can also edit the, okay, this one. Can edit this. Yan. Pwede mo siya tanggalin yan. Pwede mo siya tanggal yung China. Okay, and then save that one. Okay, wait lang ha. There is an error. You need also to add option. Okay, kailangan talaga ng option niya. So, ayun niya. Wait lang ha. Weight, kilogram. Region. So, depende siya sa ano. Meron talaga siyang from overload. From here, kailangan mo talaga ilagay. Ano pa? Overload. So, you know already how to edit here. Import. So, this one is from the AliExpress. And then, if you click this one, automatic na siya pupunta dito. And automatic siya pupunta dito sa Shopify. So, what's next? How to import. Okay, Shopify application. Okay, we are done. We are done with this. What? Okay, okay. For a while, ha. Now, what if you want to add the item manually? Okay, manually. So, this is only a sample. Diba? You have blouse. Okay, mag-download. I have already downloaded the blouse. So, I will add a product manually. So, of course, you need to click on products and then add product. So, you have the title of the product. Type mo siya. And then you have to put a description of your product. And then you have to add the product. Okay? So, for example, that one, i-add mo siya. And then for the pricing, you can type how much is the product. Example, that one is about $30. Okay? So for the compare price, ito yung parang sale daw, sabi nila, compare price. Next is you scroll down. Here you can set how many products are available. Okay. So if example, you have on hand 4 products. So you can put 4. And then you can select this one. So meaning this one is on hand. Okay? So hindi siya drop shipping. And so this is the physical product. You can choose weight, kilogram, and for the variants, example, meron kang, aside from white, meron kang red, meron kang blue. So you can add a variance here. Okay, this product has multiple options. So what are the variants? So if example size, you want to add small, okay? And aside from small, meron kang medium. Aside from medium, meron kang large. Meron ka ring extra large. Ganyan. So that's how to add a variance. So what if you want to add a color? So meron siyang available na color na sample red. Ganyan. And then kama ka lang. Okay? And then you have blue. Ganyan. Okay. Tapos, save mo siya. Yan. So, automatic meron siyang variant dito. Yan. And then, you have to edit this one. Kasi you have to upload or you need to upload the blouse color red, the blouse color blue, di ba? So, you click that one, red, and then you have to upload the blouse red. Okay? So, if example, that is the blouse red, assuming lang. So, exceeds na hindi siya pwede. I have to add another. Okay, assuming this is the blouse. Yan, that is color red. Yan. Assuming lang. Okay. So, yan ang makikita ng customer. Ito pala yung color red na, na blouse. So, when you save it, and then you have to, visit the site. And then, you will go to blouse. Diba? I have added new one, blouse. Okay, ano yun? Sorry. I forgot to choose the collection. So, don't forget this one. This is the category. So, I have to choose blouse. Click and then save. Okay, so don't worry if you cannot find the product kasi baka nakalimutan mo na select ng collection. So, and then after that, you have to refresh. So, here, I can see the product, di ba? So, when I click that one, okay, I can see here the variants. So, when I click that one, red, then add to cart na yung tao. Kung gusto na nila mag-buy, choose lang, and then add to cart. Okay, so, what if you want to use the overlaw extension? So, we have already uh, activated, di ba? We activated already the overlaw extension here. So, you search overlaw. Okay, this one, turn on na siya. So, when you go to AliExpress, okay, that one. Yan. Select and then click this one. So, e-packet available, meaning yung shipping, di ba? Remember, e-packet, shipping siya, shipping through e-packet. So, ito yung original price ng product, $7. Ay, no. $3 ito pala. Okay. Then, when you add this one, automatic na dito, di ba? So, may products. Import list rather. In the import list, and then, if you can see the products, don't forget to change the title to long, collections, description, and also the variants. Okay, don't forget this one. Forget kasi baka na-choose nyo yung Philippines tapos wala kang profit, di ba? Nagbayad ka sa subscription mo $13 tapos wala ka palang profit dito. So this is very important. You have to set this one here. Okay? So instead of Philippines kasi mahal siya kung magbenta ka doon sa Philippines, medyo mahal talaga yung product. Yeah, kaya yung makikita natin sa Facebook, medyo yung iba may kamahalan talaga kasi depende siya kung saan siya galing, di ba? Yung product. So that's how to set up a store using Shopify. So for your activity, you are going to set up your own store. Okay? Para what if yung work mo sa Shopify pala. So tingnan niyo ha kung gaano kadami yung yung mga hiring dito sa online jobs sa Shopify. So dapat you have to focus on this kasi yung e-commerce top 3 siya. Ang top 3 na jobs dito is e-commerce, tapos yung SEO, tapos WordPress. So medyo minsan 'di ba yung SEO medyo siya, mahirap yung SEO. Tapos yung WordPress din medyo complicated. So doon ka na lang sa Shopify. Okay, sa e-commerce ka, mag-dropshipping ka, you will help the client how to set up the store, Shopify. Yan. So, tingnan nyo, Shopify Customer Service Admin Specialist. So, huwag yan kasi medyo ano yan, complicated customer. Project manager for e-commerce. O, tingnan nyo. O. So, you are the one who will manage their online store. So, ikaw yung ano, ah, mag-manage ng orders, ganyan. Kasi like this one, this is the store that I manage. Okay. So this is the store that I manage. See here as a VA, what is your task as a manager of the store? Of course, you have to look for their orders. So kung meron ba silang order tapos hindi pa siya na-fulfill, so you have to let the client, oh ma'am, you have an order, hindi pa siya na-fulfill, tapos nag-pay na yung customer. So sometimes the client will give you an access to their ano. So ikaw na bahala sa kanilang store. And same in their as a manager, ikaw yung mag-manage ng kanilang online store dito sa Facebook. Like this. Kasi sa ano, okay, I will show you a sample ha. So this one, ito yung get started. So ito yung ano, yung Facebook page ng client rather. Tapos dito sa market, okay. Wait lang ha. Hmm. Okay, meron silang friend request. Okay. Dito sa marketplace, you are the one who will add a product dito. You can sell product kasi in the marketplace. So, ito yung parang local market nila sa Facebook. So, example, yung address ng client is this one, Tennessee. So, kung marketplace, parang dun ka talaga mag-sell in this one, in this place. So, you can create a listing here. You can sell a product. So, dito, items for sale. Yan. Tapos, you can add a photo for their items. And then, you have to add a title, a price, how much is the price, tapos category, and saan siya na-belong. So, example, if that is a bag, so you have to choose the correct category here in the marketplace. And then you can put also a description. Okay, so that is the work of a store manager. Okay, so example, you have, okay, leave the page. Example, meron silang customer dito nag-inquire, ikaw yung mag-answer sa mga queries dito. So sometimes the customer will ask you, is this product available like this one? Is this still available? Do you have small? So as a VA, you are the one who will answer this. Of course, you have to ask the client. Dapat meron kayong communication sa client kung available pa ba yung product. So dapat meron kayong inventory sheet kung ano yung mga products na available, kung ano yung mga products na sold out na. So ganyan. So that is the work of project management manager, sorry, for the e-commerce business. Um, Shopify WordPress manager. So, alam niyo naman kung ano yung WordPress, di ba? So, manager lang man. So, hindi ka man mag-design. So, pwede ka dito. So, the range of the, ano, the salary is from $2 per hour to $4 per hour. So, depende siya sa experience nyo. So, dapat, di ba, we have 14 days trial. So, you have to build your own store. Tapos, mag-apply ka dito before your 14 days trial ends. So, dapat mag-apply ka dito para if the client will ask you sample, you have a sample. Di ba? So, what if, ma'am, tapos na yung 14 days, So you cannot use that one anymore. You have to build another store for your sample. Kasi most of the time, the client will really ask you a sample. Yan. So experience Shopify IT specialist, choose your own hours. Wow, this one. Shopify Store Manager. Oh, ito oh. Tapos, ito oh. Shopify BA. 4 to $6 per hour. Ito, mas okay siya. 'Di ba? So, before you apply, of course, you need to read the description here. So, what is your role? Answer customer emails, respond to PayPal dispute cases, send tracking number, help me with the small jobs, respond to PayPal cases, help customers with live chat. Okay, so meron silang mga ganyan. So, live chat. And then you have to apply the job. Okay, so of course you need to uh, you have to improve the ID proof. Okay? Dito, 50 lang. Okay na siya, 50. Kasi minsan, yung iba, mag-require 70 ID proof. So, okay na to siya. Oh, you have to apply this one. But of course, again, you have to create your own store muna so that you have a sample of your work. Okay? Shopify designer, ito. Ito yung design. Ikaw mismo ang mag-set up. So you can apply this one now. So mostly the salary is not bad. $400 per month for minsan $50 yung $1. 50 pesos rather. So 50 times 4, how much is that? 20. So you have 20,000 a month. So that's not bad. Mhm. So, ano talaga yung mga hiring ng Shopify. So, you have to focus the Shopify. Okay, so not only Shopify, of course, but in other platforms also, in eBay and also in Amazon. Okay, so I will